Hi guys, today I'm here with...
Gian, Nico, AJ,
What's your course and what year are you in?
EE, first year,
What's that?
Electrical Engineering.
Same with him.
Same lang din po.
Same. Okay, are you ready for your question?
Yeah.
Okay, in your opinion, which school has the most red flags?
Di LSU.
Ay, may sinasabi ka ba, kuya?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, sige. Hindi ka nagpapatama?
Hindi naman po.
Okay, sige. What about you guys?
UST.
UST? Bakit? Kasi ghoster kayo?
Hello.
Sabi daw, ghoster. Pero mga Ruanyo boys, mababait.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
UST din.
UST din. Okay. Guys, I'm here with...
Julian. Jello.
What's your course and what year are you in?
Marketing, second year.
Marketing rin, second year.
Same kayo. Okay. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Your question is, what school do you think has the most red flags? Who wants to go first?
Para sa akin, DLSU.
Bakit laging kami na lang? What about you?
Siyempre, DLSU din.
LSU din. Ang narinig ko, taga-UST daw mga ghosters. What's your take on that?
Medyo false kasi medyo matagal na ako ng girlfriend ko.
Okay. Okay, King. Okay. Hi guys, today I'm here with Nicole.
Mary Rose.
What's your course and what year are you in?
Marketing management and we're third year. Magkaklase na.
Okay. Okay, for a chance to win our proof sneaker wipes. Are you ready for your question?
Okay.
Okay, your question is, what school do you think has the most red flags?
Oh my gosh. Ikaw muna. Yung school natin.
Yung school nyo. Bakit yung school nyo?
I think known naman kasi na mostly Tomasians are ghosters since ngayon nga, busy nga daw. Hala, ako din.
Okay, coming from a Tomasian na mismo, UST people, you are ghosters. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Here's your wise. Thank you. Today I'm here with
Chloe.
What's your course and what year are you in?
I'm currently second year marketing management.
For a chance to win our proof sneaker wipes, are you ready for your question?
Yeah.
Okay, your question is, what school do you think has the most red flags?
LaSalle.
Ay, nakatingin ka pala talaga. Okay guys, LaSalle daw. Why LaSalle? Is this based on experience?
No hate pero feeling ko nape-press ko ako sa mga taga LaSalle.
Okay, I agree. Ay,
Lalo
dilaglag.
sa boys pero pag sa girls, friendly naman sila.
Nice!
Talagang sobrang konyo lang.
Okay, living proof. Ay, here's your wipes. Thank you so much. Hi guys, today I'm here with
Mika.
Francis.
What's your course and what year are you in?
Business ad major in human resource. I'm fourth year.
Bachelor's of Arts in Communication, 4th year.
Okay, nice. Are you ready for your questions? Okay, your question is, what school do you think has the most red flags? Who wants to go first?
More experience.
PLM.
PLM.
Yeah.
Based on experience?
Yes.
What about you?
Actually, don't have any idea.
You don't have any
Yeah.
idea. Okay. Yung feel mo lang, yung naririnig mo lang from stories.
From stories, siguro PUP or UP.
Okay. Don't forget to check out our Proof Sneaker Wipes where you can clean your sneakers effectively on the go.